Hey, Charlie here. Pit Smoke. Hey, I received a sticker in the mail from Dustin, Tennessee Grilling and Smoking. If you want some tips and great recipes, stop by and check him out. You'll be glad you did. We're gonna make chicken fried steak. We'll get some buttermilk put over in that bowl there and on the other end. Now last night we had 2 chuck steaks, and one of them, they weighed probably about 1.5 pounds a piece, about 1 inch thick. I trimmed the fat off of them, and I got my tenderizing mallet out and tenderized them and everything, got them all ready and put them back in the ice box for this griddle here now. And we got them in a little bag there, and we'll start getting them ready. Now all I used was the flour, salt, pepper, garlic, and then of course the buttermilk. Press it down in that flour, get it all coated, put it in the buttermilk, get it all coated again, then put it back in the flour, coat it well again, then squirt you a puddle of oil, get you a good puddle of oil going there, and let it get good and hot, and then lay that chicken fry in there, and you'll cook it on each side around 2 to 2.5 minutes a side, somewhere along there, more or less, depending on how hot your griddle is. And this should be around 430 degrees, 420. Now I was having a little bit of trouble at first. I got the 2 burners on the left side lit, or I thought I did. I have the far left burner lit, and the one next to it was on but not lit. I was reading my griddle wasn't getting warm, but we fixed that. The griddle sure works better when you got them lit. Okay, we should be able to keep it at temp and adjust it properly now. So anyways, my mistake. So it looks to be coming along quite well now. So these will cook up nice. Okay, check this and see. I believe she's ready to turn over. Yep. Get it turned over, let it cook on that side a bit more, and it should be ready. And it looks like that one's ready. So now we'll get another one there. Scrape it down a little bit, but we kind of move that off to the side a little bit. I'm bringing some oil that's running down at this end. I need to get me some washers to level up this right end of it. I get the right side of it, so it's more level, hopefully. So anyways, we lay another chicken fry on there. I can add a little bit more oil. Well, it looks like another one's ready here, so we'll get it over there in our plate. You can kind of see that oil running to the end, towards this end here, the right end. So we'll have to keep it up on it. But I believe our temperature is pretty well stable now. Everything looks pretty good. Cooking a little better, and that one's ready on that one side. Let it cook a couple of 3 minutes on this side. And it'll be ready to go. Put a little seasoning on it. Probably should add a little bit more oil. Now, my seasoning in the flour is pepper and salt and garlic, actually. Just about my all-purpose stuff that I use all the time. You know, it makes anything taste great. When I just cook a steak, I just use salt. Just salt is all I put on that steak when I grill or cook a steak. Now I might add just a touch of black pepper to it. Not all the time though. We're going to finish up these last 3 chicken fries, and I think I got a total of 6 out of that pound and a half of chuck steak. They turned out really good. Be finishing up these last 3 and putting them on the plate, and having to bring the oil back up there. It runs to this end, but you know, after the grill got good and hot and everything started falling into place. It really worked well, and sure enjoyed it. And steaks, chicken fries turned out really good. Now to go along with these, we're having 3 bean salad, mashed potatoes, country gravy, and boiled turnips with a little piece of bacon in with it. It's going to be good. All right. Check out the color on these chicken fried steaks. They really turned out well. They tasted great. They were delicious. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell for future notifications. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And you're very welcome to leave a comment. I want to thank each and every one for watching.